how to send WhatsApp message without saving number. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to send WhatsApp message without saving number. So first thing, just head over to your WhatsApp application, and once you're inside here, so there is an option called in WhatsApp where you can message yourself. So just tap on this plus icon, plus green button over here, and you can see there is an option called message yourself. So just tap on this message yourself, and from over here I'll just paste this number over here, which is not of my device. That means it is not saved on my device. So now all I have to do is just click on this number, and it should tell you that whether this phone number is registered on WhatsApp or not. As you can see, it's not currently registered on WhatsApp, but if you see that its number is registered on WhatsApp, then you can directly message the particular number or contact by simply clicking on this chat button instead of dial. So since this number is not available in WhatsApp, I will have to dial or invite them to WhatsApp. So that's how you can easily message them without actually having to save the number. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.